The shan shortcut go See you born charnta crematorium and head Donegal Gaeltacht. Fihe van gate the ledu and visha and do you see la hamacht. Thomas a paper of Vincie.
That is na paper. Agus ni cash lia. Chrí bristegat.
Tá chrí bristegum. Well, the left Oscar just an Ireland and you, the manual gallery a chrí. Agus by heart you go on. How did you get a Michelle horoscope? Today's your lucky day. It is getting hotter. You will be crossing water.
Pishragi. East. Kaim shigala agus a jaffintal. Ela magum hnyamo di mission.
Canada radio shin wal gid you go glonia mission is guilty boyish.
Crinisinar siúil ar an líne ag a háachta chlog. Tá min was úr canlaithe ag éanad psichiatrach Áthirlan Naomh Mhuire. Dúirt ar lórí de chuid na Hatharlanne go mar siad a tuairt roint don na chothir amach ar thoras lé don chiad úr sa bhos úr inniu.
Bhí sé sábhailt a bheith a bhela fasta.
Scéala inis ón Gaeltacht lár.
Very. ESB, telephone, agus éist. A bhád mónú náart a nniu fáinne crematorium, agus caithir díal ar an sin. Wa bhfuil a dúirtu.
Cuig mhíle ponta. Teontas an núdaras.
Hanna se.
Hishregi dúirtu. Snar gad hostama. Hello, Charlie Burn. Burn's crematorium in Shaw.
Maggie you go hurty in Shaw. Ma walk bacht alle wish ta shamaru.
Oh, Maggie, to my boy for the hero blood.
Nanka hachum nye tori. Tamajin chas in the Harlan.
Our kai kenche. Son the Harlan. Could you go west?
Hey, mash do you a? Taharush stapun, kushar hinigus ta shabrit.
The shalia watchy anything. Musemo good day, Kremu. Taledo da fihe van Gaeltacht and Visha. Agus a hell go Walsham or Tesha. Hockelane, you will Crahafen Gate. Carahafen Gate.
Niall Mac Eamharcaigh walk all wishes of a crematorium, and that is that.
That's your faster.
She hit Kriga. She hit Kriga. Nyaga Lorogo.
Det var vouchers in him.
Fun. Tasums. Fui go mator you will chana get show. I could you hit my yenu. Jig me jag good belly rio. Agus me just toru ar nahe fasta. Keg wol Charlie born daman to dear. Shark did ponta.
Shark did agus fihe ponta.
Nyan misha gal fihe ponta leshen. Can us go begin da tractor leshen nilitrum a toal. I could bigger begin do say you heard a meherbart. Been posta van am show. Poster ar on yart arigejige.
Charlie!
Vincie.
Could you not come out of the cold of God? Tamagar brishta, but
could you free yet to the was a chin?
my doctor to Tamagar brishta.
Tamagar shear in the Harlan. Let him a shear who. Talk him on a hundred toys, get it be.
Nina Marble the Bogu.
He dying to a heart or so. Pon, na book.
Book ahead. Tavad. Agus na go rog asta.
You're right.
Gait yn clwyr efo Iari.
Cahi. Na mae can on you to sustain you, but the Gary discount, Daddy.
When you salta some lay, agus my nahan rud the garden you, but you Donegal of Halama lay a hand tartan. When you sul why heru tom.
Bian rud the gar.
Agus by douche than brack a smo.
Douche? Gin douche?
Fia tartin.
What tartin? Douche?
When you sul why heru tom.
You will trouble the be in the doctor.
Na boko it the core who amse. Tamagal for honey stretcher.
Can you re-wire it in your part?
Arrow to what? Oh.
Hello, doctor. Tajakarati Bagogo.
Yes.
Oh, I was looking for a doctor.
I am a doctor. Can I help you? Sit down. What's your problem?
Oh, me no problem. Vincie problem.
What's Vincie?
Brother Vincie.
Is he a priest?
No, Vincie no priest.
Where is he?
In coffin.
Is he dead?
No, Vincie not dead. But will be if somebody doesn't go to front door with stretcher.
Would you please send a stretcher to the casualty entrance, please? It's an emergency. Thank you. The stretcher be here soon.
He has back problem.
Don't move.
Eh?
Shouldn't move a man with a back problem.
Somebody better move around here. I have to go look after funeral.
But you told me he's not dead.
But he's not dead.
Oh, he's dead?
Tu gomar ci fi blien. You were she fi bomb je heen.
Hoe, mag herte.
Hello? Well, and then you show. Kaisha na well, and then you show.
Touching it, Tom.
Touching you. You're touching you by fire go. Today you catch it.
We must X-ray his back and find out if there is any damage have been done. All right?
What?
We must X-ray his back and find out if any damage have been done, all right?
Jeff Adamson, how come that Tory and a bamarash for the honey?
My good lord.
I'm in a hurry. I have to go.
Yeah. The dash.
Put X-ray on head too. He doesn't fancy women. Kabatuna Van Gushen.